If you would like to fix X search suggestion ban, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your settings app. At the section, scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here search for X, tap onto your X app, scroll all the way below, tap storage. Tap on clear data. If you clear your application's data, it will delete all of your files, settings, and your saved credentials. If you would like to continue, tap delete. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, and then OK. Now for the next step, restart your device. Tap on Restart, and then launch your X app. Now if you have cleared your data, it will ask you to re-log into your X account. Do that, then tap on the search bar here and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working and your search suggestions are still banned, then launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in X login. And here you may get logged into your account via a web browser and try searching from here. Just like so guys, this shall definitely fix your problem. If it's still not working, then all you have to do is wait for a couple hours till this ban gets lifted. And once it's lifted, you may go ahead and enter your suggestions.